To bring elements apart, you first need to unite them. It's the connection of grain and bonding material that holds the secret to grinding technology. A bond that transforms, sharp and ready. With each touch, a step closer to your goal. Tools to cut, grind, shape, and inspire together. Crafted by our dedicated and skilled team.
What if our tools could self-renew?
Blunt grains released, new sharpness revealed. At just the right moment. Delivering consistent performance. That's our legacy. We're a hidden champion, contributing to all aspects of life. A bond beyond the grain. Connecting experts in metal industries and construction industries. Stronger together. Tyrolit Premium Grinding Solutions.